3 push button, and we're going to make a password using these 3 push buttons. So we're going to make a password using these 3 push buttons, and of course with the use of this Arduino Uno microcontroller. 3 push button plus Arduino microcontroller, we will going to make a password by, let us first upload the code for the password. We're going to upload the code to the Arduino Uno so that we can use it for our password. Okay? Circuit. This is now the circuit for the password. So you can see here we have 3 push buttons, yellow, red, blue. Then this one is connected to the breadboard by jumper wires. You can see here there is a white LED. So when this white LED turns on, it means the password is correct. And if every time we press the wrong password for each button, this LED blue will turn on. So once it turns on, it means we are pressing the wrong push button for our password. They are all these 2 LEDs, each has its own resistor, and then they are all connected to Arduino Uno microcontroller. We can now use a 9 volts battery since we are done with our coding. Connect to the port, and then you can see here LED turns on. Okay, let us press the password. Hey. Okay, you can see that LED blue turns on. It means we are pressing the wrong password, wrong key, or the wrong push button. Okay, it did not turn on this blue. It means that is the right key or push button. How about this one? Oh, wrong again. This one, wrong again. This one, again. It means this is the first. The second, wrong. That is the second. And then the third one. Oh, that is the right password. Again, yellow, red, blue, blue. Again, yellow, red, blue, blue. How about pressing the wrong password? Okay, again. Yellow, red, blue, blue. Red, wrong. Blue, wrong. Yellow, right. Red, blue, blue. Red, wrong. So yellow, red, red, wrong. It should be yellow, red, blue, blue. That is our password. Using uh, using three buttons: yellow, red, blue, blue. And the wrong, we're pressing the wrong button. It will turn on this blue LED. So we have now the Arduino Uno password using these three push buttons. 1, 2, 3. With Arduino Uno microcontroller. Switch 1 or the push button yellow. Why? 1, 2. Connected to pin number 2 of Arduino to the ground. Switch 2 red. Connected to the pin number 3 of Arduino to the ground. Switch 3 blue. B blue. Connected to the pin number 4 of Arduino Uno to the ground. And then we are using 9-volt supply. Since we are done with the uploading the code, we can now use external supply of 9 volts to the port of Arduino Uno. Then the ground and the ground of all the switches, including the LEDs here, they are all connected. Pin number 2 is configured as an input in. Since we are pressing the button here, in. Pin number 7, out, as declared in the code. 7, out, that is the white LED. So when we press the right password, this LED white turns on. And if we are doing a wrong password or pressing the wrong key or switch, this LED blue turns on. Pressing the right password, this LED turns on. White. Wrong key, or every time we press a wrong key or switch, this blue LED turns on. So this blue LED indicates that we are pressing the wrong switch. Okay? Every time we press the wrong switch, this blue LED turns on. And if we guess, or if we guess the right password, or we press the correct password, LED white turns on. So we need for press for switch, for we are going to press Y, yellow, red, blue, and then blue again. It must be in order, or for consecutive push to the switch, or press, push, press, yellow, red, blue, blue. If we're going to press red first, then blue LED turns on. It means we are incorrect, or we are wrong, or we're doing the wrong, we're pressing the wrong password. So first, we need to press yellow, red, blue, blue. Yellow, red, blue, blue. It must be in order, or for consecutive press push. If one is incorrect, you need to do it again. Yellow, red, blue, blue. Okay? That is our password using Arduino Uno microcontroller. And if we press the right password, it will turn on this white LED. Wrong key, wrong switch that we press, it turns on this blue LED. So that is our password using 3 push button with Arduino Uno microcontroller.